Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to use the Revolve, plane along path, extrude, circular pattern, shell, and hole. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here in the center will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create a center line here with 92 millimeters of length. And we'll make this line here with 15 millimeters, create this line here with 12 millimeters. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 92 millimeters. This line here 15 and 12 millimeters here. Now we will create this line, and the distance between this point here and the midpoint is 23 millimeters. And we will create a line here. This point here is vertical with this one. And close the sketch here. So select a line, make a line here, and go to sketch dimension. The distance here 23 millimeters. Make sure that this point is vertical with this one. And the radius here is letter E over 2. So it will be 56 millimeters. Go to sketch dimension, 56, and finish the sketch. Go to Revolve, the axis, select this one, operation new body, and press OK. And now we will create the cylinder here. So the first thing that we make, we'll create a line here for reference with 12 millimeters of length, and the distance between this point here and the center point is letter C, 56 millimeters. And we will create a plane here, and make sure that this line here is perpendicular with this face. So go to create a sketch, select the front plane, press letter P in the keyboard, and the selection filter, select the bodies, select this body and press OK. Select line, construction line, make a construction line here. Go to constraints and select the perpendicular, select this line here and this one. This line has 12 millimeters, and the distance between this line and the midpoint here is 56 millimeters. Finish the sketch, go to construct and select the plane along the path, select this line. The distance here is 1. And now go to create a sketch and select this new plane. In this new plane, we'll make a circle with 35 millimeters of diameter, and we will extrude this to this face, and we'll use the taper angle. So the angle here is 30 over 2, so it is 15 degrees. So let's create this. Select the circle, click here in the center. The circle here has 35 millimeters of diameter. Finish the sketch, go to extrude, select the circle. The extended type, select to object and select this face. The extend, select to adjacent face. And the taper angle here is 15 degrees. Operation join and press OK. Hide the sketch too. And now we will make this cut here. We needed to make 5 cuts. So to create this, we'll make this circle. This circle, the diameter is letter E plus 6, 3 in this side and 3 in this side. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select the circle, and click here in the midpoint. The circle has 112 plus 6. And here, we'll make a circle here. And the diameter of this circle is 19 millimeters of diameter. And we will create two lines here. And the angle between these two lines is 72 degrees. So select the circle, make a circle here. This circle must be tangent with this one. The diameter, 19 millimeters. I will hide this body a little bit. And go to line, select a construction line, make a construction line between this point to this circle. And select the line again, but remove the construction line type. Click here in this circle and make a tangent line here. And go to sketch dimension. The angle here, 72/2. And go to mirror, select this line, the mirror line, select this one and press OK. And go to modify, select trim, cut here and cut here. We made this profile here. So finish the sketch. Go to extrude. We needed to cut this, but we use the offset to cut from this face to this side here. So the start, select the offset, and the distance, the offset 8 millimeters. The distance here, 8 millimeters. And the distance of this cut, we use the 35 millimeters. Operation cut and press OK. Now we need to create more 4 of this one, so go to circular pattern, the object type, select the features, the object, select this extrude, the axis, select this circle here, the quantity here, 5, and press OK. Now we'll use the shell to hollow this body. So the thickness of this body is 5 millimeters. And we need to remove this face and the bottom face here. So go to modify, select the shell, select this face and this face here. The thickness 5 millimeters. And press OK. Let me inspect this. Look that in this side here, we needed to make an extrusion here. From this face to this face. Look the sketch here. So to create this, we will go to create a sketch and select this face here. Show the sketch 4 and go to create and select the project included. Project. Selection filter, select specified entities. Select the circle and select this sketch here and press OK. And here we know that we have a thickness here with 5 millimeters, so we'll go to offset and select this sketch. The offset here is 5 millimeters and press OK. And here go to constraint, select the coincident, select this point and this circle, this point and this circle. And here we'll make the base, okay? So we will extrude the circle too. So go to create and select the circular pattern. The object, select this sketch here, hide the sketch 4. And the center point, select the midpoint here. The quantity is 5. And press OK. And here, hide this body a little bit. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude. Here in this body, you can make a project here, sorry. show the body one, go to project and select this circle here and press OK. Finish the sketch, hide this body a little bit, go to extrude, select this sketch, and here we need to extrude this 8 millimeters. So let me show the body one, and the distance here 8 millimeters to the other side, so it will be minus 8 millimeters. The operation join and press OK. Let me see the analysis. Look here, like the sketch. Let me show the sketch here. And here we'll make this cut in this face here. We have a slot here. The radius will be 10 millimeters of radius because we have the diameter here. The angle 70 degrees. And the diameter here 5 millimeters. The reference, we'll create this one for reference. We'll take the center of this slot. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch, select this face. And here go to create, select a slot, select the center point arc slot. Find the center of the circle when you see the circle here. The radius here 10 millimeters. Go to sketch dimension. The radius 10 millimeters. The diameter here is 5, so this radius is 2.5 millimeters. And select a line, a construction line. Make a line from the center point to the center of this slot. Make this line a vertical line. And create another line here to put the angle. So the angle here is 70 degrees. So here we use the 70 over 2. It will be 35 degrees. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile. Minus 8 millimeters, operation cut. Press OK. Go to circular pattern. The object type, select the features. Select this cut. And the axis, select this circle. The quantity here is 3. And press OK. And now we'll make this hole here. So this hole is concentric with this arc, this hole here. And the diameter here 15 millimeters. The dip here 3 millimeters. And the diameter here 7 millimeters. And this hole has 8 millimeters of length. So go to create, we'll make a reference here. Create a sketch, select this face. Go to create, select a point. Make a point here, concentric in the center of this arc. Finish the sketch. Go to hole, select this point for reference. The extend here, select all. The hole type, contour body. The diameter here, 15. The dip here, 3 millimeters. And the diameter here, 7 millimeters. And press OK. And go to circular pattern. The object type, select the features. Select this hole. The axis, select this circle here. The quantity here is 5 and press OK. So that's it. Let's check the volume of this model. Click here with the right button and go to properties. The volume here. So it is the correct answer. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.